Hi everyone and welcome to the EEG or the English Easy Gold Star channel. In this video, we will learn about the two groups of nouns, which are the proper nouns and the common nouns. Right up. So the two groups of nouns are the proper nouns and the common nouns. Okay, let's define each first. Okay, proper nouns refer to the specific or individual name of a person, place, or thing. Okay, while the common nouns, they are more generalized by comparison. They can be abstract, collective, compound, countable concrete, uncountable concrete, and verbal. Okay, so we can easily determine what the proper nouns are. Okay, the distinction is that they start with a capital letter. Okay, remember that they start with capital letters. All right, so let's give examples of this proper noun for a person. Okay, it can be Tony. Okay, it's the name of a person, any name. Susan. Okay, any more? Howard. Okay, they start with capital letters. All right, so they are proper nouns. Now let's go to the place. Let's give examples. Okay, it can be Egypt, USA. Where else? Can be a city, maybe Tokyo in Japan. Okay, look, they start with capital letters, right? Now let's go to thing. Okay, it can be a car. Okay, what's the name of a car? You know, it can be Toyota, or can be what else? Forerunner. What else? Can be a title of a book. Can be what title is that? It can be E.T. All right. Can also be the name of a jacket, like Calvin Klein, maybe. Okay, or CK. Right, so they all start with capital letters. Okay, so these are the proper nouns. Now let's just give some examples for these common nouns. Let's try the abstract. It can be fear or anger. Okay, for the collective, can be band or army. For the compound, it can be aftermath. Okay, can be keyboard. All right, and the countable concrete can be book, cat, and then the uncountable concrete, sugar, salt, and then for the verbal, can be those verbs with the ing form. Okay, can be acting, eating, and so on. Okay, those are just some examples. We will cover that later. Okay, now let's just compare proper nouns from common nouns. Okay, so proper nouns, proper, they all start with capital letters. Okay, Tony, Susan, Howard. Names, okay, particular or specific names of persons. All right, Egypt, USA, Tokyo, they are particular names of places. All right, Toyota, Forerunner, ET, Calvin Klein, they all are particular names of things. Okay, they all start with capital letters. Okay, capital letters, while as the common nouns, small letters. Okay, they start with small letters only. Okay, now for the common nouns, let's look at the abstract. Okay, these are nouns that you cannot perceive using your five senses. Okay, they are fear, anger, and so on. For the collective, it is a group. Okay, so a band is a group, an army is a group, right? For compound, they are nouns composed of two words. Okay, just like aftermath, there are two words in here, after and math. Just like keyboard also, two words are key and board. All right, now let's go to countable concrete. Countable concrete is a noun that you can count. Okay, so if you can count this noun, you can add the letter S to make it plural or many. All right, just like book, books, and cat, cats. Okay, so they can be counted. Okay, for the uncountable concrete, this cannot be counted. Okay, just like sugar and salt, you cannot count them one by one. All right, and then for the verbal, they are action verbs with the ing form. Okay, just like acting, eating, biking, and so on. Okay, let's have more examples of proper nouns. Okay, again, it's a specific name of a person, place, or thing. Okay, and they start with capital letters. Okay, now let's go to the names of persons. Okay, let's read. Follow me. Mike, Nancy, Oscar, Peter, Queenie, Russell, Sam, Theresa, Eunice, Vanessa, Willie, Xylee, Zoe, Anna, Barbie, Christopher, Donald, LJ, Felly, Greg, Hillary, Isaac, John, Kimberly, Leonardo, Michael, Nancy, Oprah, Paul, Kinta, Rose, Steffi, Teddy, Ulysses, Vernon, Wally, Cynthia, and Zia. Okay, so these are all names of persons which are proper nouns. Okay, they all start with capital letters. Okay, after the names of persons, let's go to the names of places. Okay, let's read. Follow after me. Asia, Bulgaria, Calgary, Denmark, Eastern Summer, Finland, Greenock or Greenwich, Hawaii, Island of Luzon, Japan, Kuala Lumpur, Michigan, Nepal, Ohio, Puerto Rico, Quebec, Rotterdam, Switzerland, Thailand, United Kingdom, Venice, Washington, Shaman, Zimbabwe, and St. Peter's Cathedral. Okay, so they are all proper nouns. They all start with capital letters. Okay, they are all names of places. All right, good. Now let's go with the proper names of things. Okay, so repeat after me. Let's read. Honda. Okay, this is the name of a car. The New York Times, it's the name of a newspaper. Xerox, okay, the name of a copier. Titanic, it's a film, or it can also be a book. Apple, it's the name of your cell phone or your computer. Sperry, the name of shoes. Vaseline, lotion. Mac, computer. Mongol, it's your pencil. Pilot, name of your pen. Merrill, name of shoes. Or even Nike, Champion, the North Face. Tide, it's the name of a detergent. Nescafe and Nestle, coffee products. Kangen is the name of water. Or Ukon, it's a tea. Sony, it can be your gadgets or your TV. Adidas can be your clothing or your shoes. Esprit, the name of your shirt, or it can also be the shoes. Dior can be cologne or apparel. Crayola, the name of crayons. Boysen can be the name of paint. The Lorax, it's a book. Ark of Blood, it's also a book. Avengers, it can be a film or a book. And Linger, the name of a book. Okay, so all of these are proper names of things. Okay, they start with capital letters. All right, okay, good. So we are done with the two groups of nouns, which are the proper and common nouns. And in this video, we focused on the proper nouns and giving examples of proper names as to place, person, and things. So stick around for the next video. We will focus on common nouns. Okay, so please don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video. Bye for now.